In this video, you will learn how to reconfigure or modify the firewall rules to ensure the functionality of the software. Typically, all the computers or equipment inside a laboratory are interconnected via network switches without any further local network connection. Since no standard gateway is involved in this type of infrastructure, Windows identifies the local lab network as public. The local server ports will be blocked even if the Windows firewall is disabled. Therefore, public networks must be enabled in the firewall access when using the Lucas-Nuelle Scada viewer or Scada designer. This software requires the possibility to access a port in order to search for specific components on the network or to communicate variables or measurements between different Scada programs on one or more computers connected via Ethernet. To reconfigure the firewall rules, the Scada script must be previously deleted. First option. Go to the Windows Firewall page on the respective course and download the linked file to a local directory on your PC. Press the right mouse button and click on Run as Administrator to open the file. Confirm the questions with entering Why. Second option. Open the Windows Firewall by pressing the Windows key and R. Type wf.msc. Go to Inbound Rules and remove the entries of Lucas-Nuelle Scada Designer or Lucas-Nuelle Scada Viewer. After deleting the rules, you must restart the program Scada Viewer or Designer. This will bring up the Windows Firewall dialog. To edit the firewall rules, open the Windows Firewall by selecting Windows key and R. Type wf.msc. Search for the entries of Lucas-Nuelle Scada Designer or Lucas-Nuelle Scada under Inbound Rules. Open all the rules one after the other by double-clicking on them. In the Properties window, under Advanced, activate the private and public networks.